Hey everybody, my name is Nate Wheeldryer with the Valley RV Supercenter. Today I want to show you the 2026 Jayco J-Feather 17 BH SL. Quick little walk around here. We're going to be at about 20 feet. All of your water hookups, sewage hookups, power, and a place for a backup camera. We're gonna be close to about 21 feet actually here, just over, under 3,000 pounds, walking into your queen size bed with an incredible amount of overhead storage here. Small closet space, got your power hookups down there. Lots of storage below the bed. The dinette will also turn into a sleeping space with more overhead storage. You have your bunk beds here with your dual stovetop kitchen, your microwave, fridge and freezer, and a very accessible bathroom with a nice skylight fan. Plenty of space for the whole family. Again, my name is Nate Wheeldryer with the Valley RV Supercenter. And if you have any questions on this, you can contact me at 253-737-2082.